King Abubola is the very biggest hero in the world, not only African. First in history that fly moto twice from Emirates Airline, from plane to Nigeria. They not born you well. Before they think of being customized or even planning to leave Nigeria travel, I've gone to 147 countries and still counting. Hello. Over there you think you are in America, and I have 4 kids living there. They don't live as a tenant, they live in my house. The same way I was in UAE, in my house. You don't come and say what you don't know. You need some little rats. They're giving you children information. The children do not tell you that I'm the only person moving convoy. First man in the history of UAE that pulled a crowd for an event from some local to Sophia to Idris to clean the drunk, to Aki and Popo. I'm telling you with evidence. Attitude show, one day go, the band two-face. First in history, before every other show started, we're doing attitude traffic nights. Who raised you? Who born you? Who tell you I come to online to do competition? Who tell you that I come here to do talk challenging? I don't know how to do war. You and I say, yeah, we are doing saga. How do they do saga? If you try me by mistake, I will hit you down by correction. Sickness, kidney, anything, accident, anyone you want, you must go down. 2 captain, no they exist for both. Now children talk. My own, I they crush the captain, you know we even grow. Talk more of having 2 captains. Who raised you? Who breastfeed you? My name is His Royal Majesty Igbo Abubola. They never born you well. Look for children trouble, not me. I'm large for you, man. Your sponsors, those that follow you, those that is powering you, those that are telling you ride on, they are children to me. I'm not a drug dealer. What are you talking about? Someone tell you he's a fraudster. No. The issue in UAE is $2.8 million. That's the case in UAE. And the case is what? Totally solved. That was civil case. Civil case. Pay and renew your company. That's my case. Not deportation, Mugu. So some of you come online sometimes, and they deport them. No. I'm not a deportee. I'm not. I am not. I got so many evidences, but I'm waiting for one day and bring out the document I'll be showing you one after the other from my Emirate ID. I don't know the kind of ID some of them have. No. In my plate number in UAE, the same thing. The other one is Charger 1, 777. The other one is Dubai, K for King, 777. Pick up your courage, man. Pick up your courage. Investigate and investigate properly. Don't come and be talk trash because you feel that you want people to clap for you. I hate gay. I don't support, I don't do. The same way I hate lesbians. You're a cheap prostitute, man. You're a cheap prostitute. Cheap one. Cheap. Shapeless. I have no time for this thing they are saying, saga this, saga that. I shut down your account. I shut it down. If I still want, I shut down whatever thing you think you have. That's me. After that, I'm shutting you down. So many ways I shut you down. By your health, I shut you down. You're moving on the way, I shut you down. You got family over there, I shut them down. Listen, spiritual control physical, I don't believe in all these things you're doing, rubbing chalk in your face. I'm not a native doctor. I'm not a Zawano. No. I'm a rugged prophet of God. Rugged. Have you heard of word of rugged? Despite being a brotherhood. A brotherhood. One call, they will shut down your page. One phone call, they shut down your page. You will be there trying. They say try another one. You keep trying until you tire. Now we need one. If they walk out for road, you go fall. Where you don't insult me. They say what happened. They say stroke, roll up. Now we need one. You go cough, begin cough blood until you die. Now we need one. Unexpectedly, they go pursue you for work. They come out. Motor go hit you, you go. Now we need one. We know I know Sabi do nonsense. I know Sabi do rubbish. My first song was Sweet Sweet Fanta Darling. Oh, oh, Fanta Love. That's after my Fanta advert, 1991. You see where the guy is coming from? I'm not a baby. This is my 48 years old. I'm not a child. My senior daughter is 24. Followed by 22, 21, 20, 18, 17. The last boy is 13 years. The small one in Turkey now is 1 year old. Take it easy. You don't know men. You talk about men. Are you okay? What do you know about me? What do you know about me? They never told you how I came to South Africa to buy my tiger. They never told you where I bought house in Midrand. They never told you who was my girl. The most beautiful girl in South Africa, Joy, the late one, may her soul rest in perfect peace. That's my baby mama. You come to talk about me? Me? No. I don't fight rats. I had issue with the president of Buhari. Maybe some of you might know the story. When I came back, they banned me of traveling out, seized my passport. And I was supposed to go back 6 months. And I didn't go back because my passport was seized for 3 years. So when you don't know anything about me, keep quiet. Don't give children information you don't know. We raise boys on the streets. We raise men on the streets. Women. All these people they brought to Dubai to do prostitute. Some of them, we stop them and pay them dues. Give them visa, go and start business. How dare you rise up and talk what you don't know about me? You're trying to impress people? Who are you trying to impress? You know why a lot of them call me daddy? Daddy? Because I don't sleep with them. I keep them around me to help them. Start a business, salon, do so many things for them. That's what I do. So when cheap talkers don't know things about me, you come to talk about me. I'm your legend. I'm a powerful hero. When we did Igbo 1991, they never born you. Fanta advert, the same 1991. My first music was 1991 ending, December, before 1992. Abortion, young girls settle down. So what do you know about me? This is a life legend that's still celebrating, living. Be careful how you talk about people, how you talk cheap about people. Anyway, I don't know why I'm wasting my speech. You're so low. Trust me, you're so low. You're too low. You're too low. Me and Facebook, we are family. We are family. Me and Facebook, we are family. We are brother. We know who we are. We know who we are. Some certain thing I don't want to do. That's why you're still seeing me like I'm too easy for you to see. That's why you're seeing me, I'm too accessible. There are some rules I don't want to get involved to. You know why? I love my God. And I respect my God. I'm a covenant child of God. No matter how you see my dressing, I can never do anything that is not things of my God. Anything that is not the will of God, I can never do it in my life. You don't know me. I decree a word and it come to pass, because greater is he that is in me. I know where I'm coming from. I have a foundation. Hello. Hello, cheap talkers. Talk less. Learn. Learn from the master himself. Agobola 1, 2, 3 to 16 convoy. In your family, nobody. In your whole entire village, nobody have done that. Nobody have moved that. Dubai, 3 convoy. Who? No, who is blowing? Who did blow? My beautiful followers, I love you, man. Even some guys that I saw, you send me inbox that you love to have my account number, you want to appreciate me. I love you guys so much. God bless you. Those appreciation you want to give to me is going to charity. We love sharing to people. A lot of hungry people is out there. A lot of hungry people is out there. We all are hungry. I feed with them. I share with them. I eat with them because they are brothers. They are sisters out there. They are fellows. The other day I went out to share 500 bread and 500 mineral and 100 plate of rice. What happened? Even some people packing them car to come and collect.
Put more
To
pressure.
show you that hungry is everywhere. If you have time, you understand what is going on, that to be fighting someone that is dead. What is my problem?
Anyway, Agobo, sorry, Nketabwa, Chen. Nketata Wanya, what I know to listen to me. You are so confused. Very, very confused. A common deportee like you. Before I will proceed, I would like people to listen to this voice note. Then I will return back to you.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I've seen it.
Okay. Sorry, listen.
Thank you. Good morning, my darling.
Okay. Listen to this.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I've seen it. Thank you. Alright, thank you very much. I'll send the account, Yeah. I'll do it in the morning or maybe. Yeah, hello, my dear. Good afternoon. Sorry about the delay or big. I mean, it was almost something that done in our sort of sense. Anyway, I really need to round up some certain things. And then after that Monday night, to be able to fix the agreement on Tuesday. I will still do it. God bless you. Thank you. Sorry about that. It's not. You're sending your account. There's no way I will pay you money for what? No, I don't do that. No, I don't do that. That is not good. I don't do it. Anything that is not good, I don't do it. Bible says that love covered multitude of sins. Do you think I ignore your calls? I don't. If I don't have the moment to give you, that does not make me a bad person. You know why? God in heaven knows that I love you deeply from my heart. 100,000 cannot make you to be my enemy. If you like, go and insult me. Call me fake life, call me stupid person, call me nonsense person, call me this, call me that. I still have real love at heart for you. And God is my witness. And I don't think that any amount of insult coming from you can change it. No, it cannot. It can never. So, I'm sorry if you feel that I ignore your call or I don't respond to you or this and that. But sometimes the way you fix the request got me panic. Mostly if I don't have it at that moment to give you. Because lately I'm having some challenges, which is ups and down. You know, I got China visas to go to travel since, but I've not. But anyways, by the way, because you're sounding like you are the worst person that know me, the way you're just sounding now. I will not say I do not believe it. I don't want to say I believe it. All I'm saying is that something motivates you to do that, and something motivates you to speak to me in that manner. But all the same, I'm still your brother, and you're still my sister, whom I love so much. God bless you and protect you and your family. Don't forget, I love you so much. Bye. I never say you're stupid. Sometimes I keep quiet. You should try to understand that, oh my God, this man is saying, oh my God. You know, I'm not that kind of person, but anything you want to level me, there's no problem. But one thing I'll tell you for sure is this. I'm not an evil man, even if I am not to someone that I took to heart. Like I took you like a sister, I took you like a close blood. Like I can even put you on my business Facebook. I mean, I know what it is to put in somebody you don't have 100% trust for, you know. But that's not the thing. But at least the thing is, I understand. You know, sometimes people misunderstand some silent things, but sometimes try to